I've extracted a capacitor and slid it over to the lower right hand corner of the screen. Right now I'm applying leaded solder to the unleaded solder that was on the pads so that it'll go back together a little bit easier. I'm not really good at this, so I struggle for a while trying to get the part in position. It looks like the capacitor's close enough to apply some hot air and try to allow surface tension to pull it in better where it should align. First we'll put some flux on there. This is where I ran into problems. I should have put the flux on first, and that would have actually helped hold the component in position. Instead, what I ended up doing was knocking it back out of position when trying to add the flux. So next time I will put the flux on the pads first. Anyway, we're back in position with the component. Let's apply some hot air. Alright, the capacitor's pulling down into position. I think I had my airflow up a little bit too high, and it actually kind of pushed it out from where it needed to be. So now I'm trying to reposition it and get the airflow figured out to where it will put the part where it belongs. I'm pretty new to this surface mount micro soldering stuff, so I'm not very good at it yet. I've sped this section up because I struggled and really fumbled around for quite a while trying to get this component put back in place. Hopefully next time I do this it won't be so bad. Now I decided to go ahead and touch up the solder joints with soldering iron to get better flow. Added more flux and retouching up the joints here, and that is not perfect, but it's back.